To import a list of contacts into CentrixOne, go to the Settings module in the menu bar, and then to Data Import. Then click Choose a document. The file must be in xlsx file format. Upload the file, and then select the list to which you wish to import your contacts, or create a new one with the appropriate name and permissions. Then click on Next Step. CentrixOne can detect column names and match them to the corresponding fields most of the time, but it might make a few mistakes or not detect some columns occasionally. This means that you should check that everything is in order and associated. Under the Contacts or Accounts section, columns that have been automatically associated by the system will appear in bold, while those not associated appear in gray. We can use the drop-down menus to select the fields from the Excel list that match with the corresponding categories. For example, if we go to the Name drop-down, we can see that this field is being populated by data from the Contact Name column, which is highlighted by the purple box. To remove data associated with a field, click on the blank option in the drop-down menu. Once you finish checking the Contacts section, repeat the process in the Accounts section. When your check is complete, click on Import Data. If you wish to avoid importing duplicate contacts, click on the Use Email function. CentrixOne will automatically update the contact instead of creating a copy. Once the import is completed, your contacts will end up in the contact list you selected, with the correct values in the appropriate fields.